Alright, today we're doing a rear differential fluid change, 4.2 quarts of 75/90 full synthetic. 15/16 socket for fill and drain plug. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I can get the fill loose, which I can. Then I'll go ahead and get the drain plug going. Alright. I'm going to pull my fill so the air can replace the fluid. There we go. You can look on the magnet on the bottom for the drain plug. You'll see if there's any metal shavings. I don't have any, luckily. It just has some sludge sitting at the bottom. We'll clean all that off and reinstall after this drains. Alright, now that I've drained it out, we're going to put this in hand tight. And I'm just going to snug this up. I'll torque it down to 36 foot-pounds once I do the drain plug also. Alright, 4.2 quarts. So just go until it starts overflowing out of the fill plug. Alright, now that it's starting to come out of the fill plug, I'm just going to let it drain for 10 minutes. I'm not in a rush. Wait till it stops draining out and then we'll put it back in. Alright, it's finished draining. The washers both on the drain and fill plug are both in good shape, so I'm not replacing those. I can get this one just snugged up, and then I'll do both at 36 foot-pounds, and I'll clean everything up. There's 36 there. 36 there. Clean it up and it's done. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. 15/16 fill and drain. Drain it till it stops draining. Fill it till it starts coming out of the fill plug. Torque everything down. Clean up your mess. Good to go for another 30,000. So that is done. Next we're going to do the front differential transfer case and then do an oil change. If you guys want that, we'll post videos for that too.